What's up guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to talking about how to record video calls on WhatsApp. In WhatsApp app, WhatsApp doesn't have a call record option or a video call record option. For doing this, I am going to use an app which called Screen Recorder. You can find it to the Play Store. Type Screen Recorder. You can use any screen recorder app for WhatsApp video calls. Before you start a video call on WhatsApp, start the screen recorder app and then go to your WhatsApp and call someone on video call. Currently, I am recording this video on the screen recorder app. By this way, you can record your WhatsApp video calls and also audio calls. When you finished your calls, then stop the recording. The recording file will be saved in your internal storage of your phone. By this way, you can record your WhatsApp video and audio calls. That's all for today. Hope it was helpful for you. Feel free to like, comment and share this video. Please subscribe to our channel and get connected with us for more this kind of videos. Thanks for being with the Tutorial Lab.